Here's a short overview of how to form questions using qui, que, or quoi. These might seem really tricky, but if you follow this formula, it shouldn't be too difficult. What are some examples of sentences that we can use this formula for? We have qui fait la vaisselle? Qui est-ce que tu as rencontré au restaurant? Qu'est-ce qui brûle? And finally, qu'est-ce que tu bois au petit déjeuner? So let's look at how we form these. First, you want to ask yourself, is the thing we're asking about a person? If it is, you're going to start off with qui, est. If it's not a person, it's going to be qu'est. Now to get the second part of the question word, you want to ask yourself, is the thing you're asking about the subject of the sentence? If it is, the second part is going to be qui, and if it isn't, the second part is going to be que. So let's look at some questions using this. So we have qui fait la vaisselle. Qui is referring to a person, that's the subject of fait. For example, we could respond, Louise fait la vaisselle. Louise is a person who is doing the dishes. Now with qui, when you have qui plus qui, usually the s key gets dropped out. So that's why we can just say qui fait la vaisselle. Our next question is qui est-ce que tu as rencontré au restaurant? And here we're talking about a person, but this person is the object of the verb à rencontrer. So we could respond, j'ai rencontré Marc au restaurant. Marc is a person who is the object of à rencontrer. Our next sentence is qu'est-ce qui brûle? We're talking about a thing that is the subject of the verb to burn. So we ask the question, what is burning? We could respond, le pain brûle. So it's le pain, a thing, that is the subject of burn. Then we have, qu'est-ce que tu bois au petit déjeuner? We're asking about a thing, but it's also the object of the verb boire. To which we would respond, je bois du jus d'orange au petit déjeuner. So jus d'orange is a thing, but it's also the object of the verb boire. It's what we drink. Now sentences that have verbs that take de, we can't delete the de out. So for example, we have de qui est-ce que tu parles? Is on parle de quelqu'un. And so this one isn't any different at all. We just bring the qui out front, or the de out front, to get de qui est-ce que tu parles? Je parle de Marie. Things get a little bit different when we talk about things versus people. So if we take de quoi est-ce que tu parles? You'll notice when we bring the de out front, the que turns into quoi. De quoi est-ce que tu parles? We will respond, je parle du livre. And there you have it for questions using qui, que, and quoi.